Today, we've got something super exciting for you, a full review and setup guide for the HAPPRUN H1 projector. This little device promises a lot, and we're here to see if it delivers. First things first, let's unbox this bad boy. The HAPPRUN H1 comes with everything you need right out of the box. We've got the projector itself, a power cable, a remote control, and even a screen. So, no extra purchases required. Setting up the HAPPRUN H1 is a breeze. All you need to do is mount the included screen on the wall, find the perfect spot for the projector, power it up, and connect a source. Simple, right? Speaking of connections, the HAPPRUN H1 offers a variety of options. On the back, you'll find a composite input for those old school devices like a PlayStation 1 or an old Wii, plus USB and HDMI ports for modern connections. In my setup, I connected the HAPPRUN H1 to an Amazon Fire TV stick. But if you don't have one, no worries. You can use your laptop, PC, gaming console, or any other media device to stream content onto the screen. Pros: affordable, easy setup, multiple connectivity options, good picture quality, built-in speaker with Bluetooth connectivity, up to 200 inches screen size. Cons: lower quality built-in screen, lacks advanced image output technologies. Now, let's talk picture quality. The HAPPRUN H1 may not have the most advanced image output technology, but with its native 1080p LED resolution, it still delivers full HD clarity and crisp details. To get the best picture quality, you'll need to fine-tune the focus and keystone correction. It only took me a minute, and the results were impressive. The projector can produce an image up to 200 inches, providing an incredibly immersive viewing experience. One of the standout features of the HAPPRUN H1 is its intuitive and user-friendly on-screen display, or OSD. This feature allows you to enhance the image quality with various input mode options, including HDMI and AV. The home screen offers options to play audio, video, and images via USB ports, making it super convenient. Plus, the advanced settings are extensive. You can adjust picture modes, zoom, color temperature, noise reduction, sound settings, projection mode, and more. Initially, I had low expectations for the built-in speaker, but I was pleasantly surprised. The sound quality is impressive, and you can adjust the settings to your liking. For those wanting a more robust audio experience, the projector offers multiple external audio options. You can connect a wired sound system via the 3.5mm port or use Bluetooth 5.1 for wireless speakers or headphones. Now, about the included projector screen, it's functional but not the highest quality. It serves as a starter screen, with the idea that you might want to invest in a better one over time. So, what's the final verdict on the HAPPRUN H1 projector? It's an excellent value for its price. It offers crisp picture quality, straightforward setup, multiple connectivity options, and a surprisingly good built-in audio experience. While there are a few drawbacks, they are easily overlooked considering the affordable price tag. If you're looking to enhance your home entertainment setup without breaking the bank, the HAPPRUN H1 is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.